Okay, so I'm gonna sing Cough Syrup by the Young Green Giants, or yeah, I think it's something like that. Anyways, I'm sick, by the way, so I sound really bad. Okay. Life's too short to even care at all. I'm losing my mind, losing control. These fishes in the sea, they're staring at me. What world aches for a beat of a drum? If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to calm down. So yeah, there you go. That's my voice, even though it's messed up at this point. So just, yeah, really bored. So there you go.